Hello there everyone, Ali here recording this video to show you how to create a free blog using Google's blogspot platform. Okay, you have to type in blogger.com into your browser. Okay, let me zoom in so you could see it, blogger.com. Okay, and from there you click where it says sign in up on top, and you'll have to have a Google's account to be able to create a free blog, and you have to sign in to your Google's account. If you don't have a Google's account, by the way, you could create one for free. Okay, once you put in your credentials, you're gonna land on this page. You just click on continue to Blogger, hit where it says create new blog, and this is where the fun starts. This is where you put in the title for your blog, and try to use a keyword for your title. I'm just gonna use anything now for the sake of time, and down here is the address of your blog, and this is always going to be whatever name that you use is going to be followed by .blogspot.com, unless if you want to use your own domain name, which you have to pay for, while this one is free. So you try to put in the keyword in the domain name address also, and these are the themes, the templates available for you to use. You could pick any one of these and click create blog. As soon as you do so, Google offers you to get your own domain name for your blog, but as I said, you'll have to pay for that. So if you don't want to pay any money, you just click no thanks and continue. And this is the page where you could start doing posts and creating pages. This is settings, the main settings. From here you could change your title if you're not happy with it. Put whatever new title that you like, the XYZ, and just click save changes, and as you can see, it changed the title of the blog. And same here, you could change also your blog address by doing the same thing and clicking save changes once you do so. Post, comments, and sharing. Here you could change the settings here. It is set to 7 posts to show on the main page. You could put whatever number that you like. If you want only 3 posts to show on your main page, you could change this to 3. From this section here, the comments moderation, I suggest that you always want to moderate these comments, because a lot of people spam a whole lot, and you want to limit that by approving whatever comments that you like and deleting the spam. And here also you could use this by showing word verification for people who is going to comment. It's set to yes. If you want to change it, you could click no. Once you do whatever changes here that you want, you gotta click on save settings, and settings will save successfully, as you can see. All right, from here there's a lot of things that you could do, and this is the main thing. This is the posts, where you could, once you click this, you want to create a new post, click on new post, and it's going to ask you to put in the title, whatever, just put in anything, and here fill in whatever you want to type in, whatever your post is, your article is. And once you're done, and by the way, you could add photos, you could upload your own photos or from your webcam. It gives you many options. Once you choose whatever you want to put in, you just hit add selected, it'll add it to the page. You could add videos as well, or links if you have an affiliate link that you want to use. So once you're done doing whatever you want to do, you just click on publish, and it gives you the option of sharing it on Google Plus with your friends. Click share. If you don't want to share, you hit cancel. And if you go to view blog, you're gonna see this is the post that we've just created, June 14, 2018. All the nonsense stuff that I typed in is here. All right, you could also create pages. Same thing, it's easy. You just click pages and click new page, and whenever you finished, you just hit publish. The layouts here, you could add things like about me and stuff, hit save arrangements, whatever you've done. And theme here also, you could change the themes. And here, if you wanna join AdSense, you could click on that and read how to qualify for AdSense. Okay, I'll try to make the video as short as I can. I don't want to waste your time with all the nonsense. Basically, these are the main things you need to create a free blog. Hopefully this was helpful to some of you guys. Please feel free to leave a comment, like the video, or subscribe to my channel. Anything would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much, and have a great day, everyone.